Hey everybody, this is my Indian ringneck parrot named Precious, and he is just tearing up everything in sight. They have to be busy, they make a mess, but they are so lovable for the most part. I was using this cardboard to block my laptop so he wouldn't try to pull off the keys and fly away. I learned my lesson. He's already done that a couple of times. Right, Precious? You're making a big mess. You are making a big, big mess. No, as long as he's busy. He just peels it off and and spits it out. Let's see. Okay, there you go. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, you see Winnie. Winnie's not. Nope. Sit down. Mm-hmm. Hi, Chicken Little. Hi, Chicken Little. What are you doing? Just making a big old mess? What are you doing? Lucky, Lucky, don't go in there. No. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to start cleaning up this mess here.